Namo Arihantaram, Namo Sitaram, Namo Aryaram, Namo Chayaram, Namo Loe Sava Sahunam, Esu Panchanamo Yaru, Sava Papnashno, Manglaram Chasavesam, Paramamoi Mangalam, Paramamoi Mangalam.
Do you know Chattari, Ahil?
And
Chattari.
not that well.
Okay. Chattari Mangalam, Arihanta Mangalam, Siddha Mangalam, Sahu Mangalam, Kevadi Panato, Dhammo Mangalam. Chattarilo Guttama, Arihantalo Guttama, Siddhalo Guttama, Sahulo Guttama, Kevali Panato, Dhammo lo Guttamo. Chattari Sharanam Pavajjami, Arihante Sharanam Pavajjami, Siddhe Sharanam Pavajjami, Sahu Sharanam Pavajjami, Kevali Panato, Dhammam Sharanam Pavajjami. So the 3 paragraphs, okay? So what are they trying to say over here? Chattari. Chattari means 4, because in Gujarati, what do we say? Ek, be, tran, ne, char. Isn't it, Ahil? Hanika? So char. So in Prakrit, so it's like Chattari. Okay. So char mangal. Mangal means those who will destroy our ego. So who will destroy our ego? The four mangals. First is Arihant. The second one is Siddh. The third one is sadhu. And sadhu ma avi gaya, upadhyay bhi avi gaya, and acharya bhi avi gaya, okay, in like sadhu. And the fourth one is one who has attained kevad gnan. He can only preach Jain dharma. So kevali kathit Jain dharma. Now listen to it again. Chattari mangalam. So achar mangal. So the first line is saying Chattari mangalam. Now it is saying Arihanta mangalam, Siddha mangalam, Sahu mangalam, Kevali panato, Dhammolo mangalam. So I want char names. Arihanta ivu, Siddh Bhagwan aiva. Third one Sahu aivu. So Sahu mavigu sadhu. So sadhu, here you also not only sadhu, you also include upadhyay and also you include acharya, okay? And sadhu is the same as sadhu is the same as what was I going to say? It is the same as Muniraj, right? Sadhu is the same as Muniraj. And Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. So one who has attained Keval Gnan, only he can preach. Only he can preach. Is that clear? Okay, now who can repeat the Char Mangal? Speak, Hanika, the 4 Mangal.
I don't know so well.
Oh, okay. So the Char Mangal are, sorry, I was on the phone with Krith. He's just trying to join. Arihant, Siddh, Sahu, and Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. Bol. Hanika, it is easy. એટલું બધું difficult કઈ છે જ નહીં. Arihant said sadhu. એ તો તને already આવડે છે. અને Kevali Kathit. So who has attained Keval Gnan, Ahil?
Someone who's attained Keval.
Who? Exactly who? Who has attained Keval Gnan? Yes, Hanika.
Arihant and Siddh.
Very good. So Arihant and Siddh have attained Keval Gnan. Only two. So only they can preach. But can Siddh Bhagwan preach, Hanika? Why? Because
he is not yet attained Keval Gnan. He's
no,
only
you just said no, Hanika, you didn't listen. See, say that Siddh Bhagwan has attained Keval Gnan. So my question was, can Siddh Bhagwan preach? Yes, Ahil?
No, because he doesn't have a body anymore.
Exactly. He does not have a body. He's no longer in like where we stay in Madhyalok. We like stay in the middle part of the universe. He's no longer there. Because what is Siddha Bhagwan, Hanika? That one who has left his body and now only the soul has gone up. Okay. So Siddha Bhagwan can't preach. So who can only preach? Only Arihant can preach. Is that clear, Hanika? Ahil, is that clear? Okay, so now Ahil say the 4 Mangal.
There's Arihant, Sid,
Sadhu.
Sadhu, and Kevari Bhagwan.
No, not Kevali Bhagwan. Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. So only one who has attained Keval Gnan can preach about Jain Darshan. So that is the 4th one. Kevali, because your Kevali to be avi gya ne, like in the starting. Arihant Siddh avi gya, starting. But the 3rd one I will give Sadhu. Now the 4th one is Jain Darshan. Actually the 4th one is Jain Darshan, but they're emphasizing not everybody can preach about Jain Darshan. Only Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. Have you understood, Ahil? Or have you still not understood? Okay, then bol. 4 Mangal bol. And then Hanika will speak.
So Arihant, Sid, Sadhu,
Very
and
good.
someone who's attained summit.
Kem Ahil, mistake Taisha. It's not difficult. I don't know why you're getting confused. Listen, Ahil, nicely. Hold on, let Kreet come. Hi, Kreet. Jai Jinendra. Turn on your video. Okay.
I
so
don't
he'll-
have that much internet, so can I keep my video?
Tawa. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. No
And
problem. Now,
also, can I leave after 15 minutes because my battery is almost over?
so you put your phone on charge, isn't it?
But there's no power.
Oh, there's no power. Okay, anyway, when it dies, it will die. So it's okay. Now, okay, just keep yourself on unmute. Okay, listen now, listen, Kreet. So we say, Chattari Mangalam, Arihanta Mangalam, Siddha Mangalam, Sahu Mangalam, Kevadi Panato, Dhammo Mangalam. So there are 4 Mangals. What is the meaning of Mangal, Hanika? Explain to Kreet. Is like Neet there, Kreet?
Yeah, he's next to me.
Okay, fine. So Hanika, please explain to Kreet and Neet what is the meaning of Mangal. I just said it right now. Mangal means, Ahil, you want to try? Okay, write it down. Okay, write it down because maybe it was a bit fast. Mangal, write it down. Kreet and Neet, even you write it down. Mangal means it is broken down into 2 words. Man plus gal. Okay, so it is broken down into 2 words. So man means ego and gal means to dissolve. So who will dissolve this ego? There are 4. There are 4 Mangals. Who will destroy this? The first one who will destroy the ego is Arihant. The second one is Siddha Bhagwan. The third one is Sahu. Sahu meaning sadhu. Sadhu. So sadhu ma kon આવી ગયા? Muniraj, Upadhyay, અને Acharya. ઈ ત્રણે માં આવી ગયા. And the 4th one, I will just write it for you. And the 4th one is Kevali Kathit Jain Darshan. Now listen to this, Kreet and Neet. See, who has attained Keval Gnan, Kreet and Neet?
Arihant Bhagwan.
Only Arihant Bhagwan? Neet?
And also Sid.
Very good. So Arihant, Siddh have both attained Keval Gnan. Now like Hanika, explain to them. Can Siddha Bhagwan preach?
Komalanji. My internet's slow, so could I off my video?
No, it's not slow from our side. Is it showing like low bandwidth on your side? Because from our side, it's perfect.
Because
Okay.
like every once in a while you guys start breaking.
Oh, I am breaking or like you are breaking? Oh,
Like on my screen, you guys start breaking.
okay, so the voice breaks or like the screen is not seen?
Both.
Both. Okay, fine. Keep it off. Okay, Kreet, just turn on your video for a second. I'll just add you and then you can turn it off. Okay, fine. I've added. Okay, fine. It's okay if you want to turn it off now. Okay, so now listen. So now where was I? Just a second. Sadhu. Okay, Hanika was going to explain. Hanika, why is it that like Siddha Bhagwan can't preach?
Because he's left his body and he's in Siddhashila.
When he's in Siddhashila. Very good, very good. Okay. Krit, explain why Siddha Bhagwan, actually Neet explain. Neet, why can't Siddha Bhagwan preach?
Because he is in Siddhashila.
And? And
And
what?
he has no body.
Very good, because he's got no body and because he's in Siddhashila. So now, Krit Neet, when you recite Chattari Mangalam, at least you will know who the Char Mangal are. Because all of you are reciting, but you don't know. Now, Krit, quickly, say the Char Mangal Concha.
Chattari,
No, Chattari.
Siddha,
Upare. Chattari means four. Chattari means four. Look, it is also in the chat. I don't know if you can see it in the chat. It is there in the chat. The first one is Arihant. The second one is Siddh. The third one is Sadhu. The fourth one is Jain Dharma told by Kevali
you're
Bhakti.
breaking. I can't hear you.
Okay, so the first one is Arihant. The second one is
Yes.
Siddh.
You're breaking.
No, then there's some problem on your side because on my side I can hear you properly. Okay, so check in the chat. Krit, can you see the chat? Unmute, Krit. Okay, Ahil, read from the chat.
Yes?
Krit, okay, read from the chat. The Char Mangal, read.
What?
Read from the chat the Char Mangal that are written.
Oh.
Be quick, don't waste time. Okay, Ahil, read. Maybe there's something wrong because you don't even have power at home. Okay, Ahil, read.
It's Arihant, Siddh,
Arihant, Siddh, Sadhu, and Jain Dharma told by Kevali Bhagwan.
So you have to remember this, okay? You have to remember this. And okay, so okay, now Krit, recite the whole Chattari Mangalam. Okay, maybe there's something wrong today on their side. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, so now now Ahil, Hanika, do you realize when we say Chatta?
Yes.
It's okay, Krit, don't worry. It's okay. So now do you realize when we say Chattari Mangalam, who are we bowing down to? So Chattari is not one of the Mangals, but Chattari means four. Is that clear, Hanika? Chattari means four. Let me just write it down. Chattari means four. I will write this down as well. Ritneet, have you written all this down? Okay. Ahil, have you written it down?
yes.
Okay, so Chattari, okay, Ahil, keep it next time. We can share it with these two boys because I think there's something wrong on their side today. Okay, so Chattari means four. Okay, so now let's move on quickly to for about 5 minutes of revision and then we go back to Nimit Upadan. Okay, now quickly, Hanika, how many gun does each Dravya have?
Anant,
Anant. Very good. Ahil, name the two angles of the soul.
You are breaking, sorry.
Name the two angles of the soul.
Dravya and Parya.
Dravya and Parya. Which one is constant? Which one is changing?
Dravya is constant and Parya is changing.
If you can hear us, give, Neet, if you can hear us, give the definitions of Dravya Gun Parya. Neat. Speak.
Yes.
Neat, speak the definitions of Dravya Gun Paryay.
Yes.
Speak the definitions of Dravya Gun Paryay.
Dravya is the togetherness of infinite attributes. Gun is present in all parts of Dravya and in all its paryai. Paryai is the functioning part or the activity that happens in each gun in one samay.
Very good, boy. Clap for Neat. All three are correct. Great. What is the meaning of Swabhav?
The nature of the soul.
Very good. Swa means what and when? Like, what does Bhav mean? What does Swa mean?
Oh, Swa means soul and Bhav means the nature. So
Swa means
together
self.
it's
Yes, Swa means self soul, not
Oh.
self, but it means self soul. Okay, Swa means self soul, and a Bhav means the feeling or nature. So
yes, so the nature of the self
Yeah.
soul.
very good, boy. Okay, so it is there in the chat. I think Ahil has not learned this. Swabhav means the nature of the self soul. It is there in the chat. Hanika, write it down. Have you written it? Ahil, have you written it?
I'm writing it.
Okay, you're writing it. Neet, what is the meaning of vibhav? Hanika, do you know it? Okay.
Not the nature of the soul.
Very good. So easy. So this is very easy. So V plus bhav equals to vibhav. It is there in the chat. Vibhav. So vibhav means that which is not the nature of the soul. Write it down, Hanika and Ahil. Vibhav and Swabhav. Now, quick revision of Gunistan. Ahil, have you written?
Almost done.
Okay. Hanika? Preet, in which Gunistan are we? Preet.
One.
Yeah, we are in the first Gunistan. Okay, now like Preet, no, don't keep on muting and unmuting. Just leave yourself on mute. On unmute, sorry. Okay, so now Preet, sorry, next question for you. Muniraj has taken Diksha, but he's not attained Samyak Darshan. So he's in which Gunistan?
I can't hear you.
Okay, Hanika. Muniraj has not
I
taken
can't hear you.
Muniraj has not taken Muni Diksha. So he's in which Gunistan? Hanika.
First.
First Gunistan. Ahil, is the answer correct?
Yes.
Yes, the answer is absolutely correct. Good, Hanika. Now like the next question. Shri Krishna has attained Samyak Darshan, but he is still living in the palace. So Ahil, he's in which Gunistan?
Fourth.
Sorry?
Fourth.
Fourth Gunistan is correct. Okay, so Kreet, now you can hear us. Kreet, there's a Muniraj who has not attained Samyak Darshan, but he has taken Muni Diksha. So he's in which Gunistan? Can you hear us, Kreet? Okay, Hanika. Anyway, Hanika has already answered this question. Okay, so now next question. There's a Muniraj who has attained Samyak Darshan. Now listen to this. There's a Muniraj who has attained Samyak Darshan and he's writing scriptures. He's in
You're
which
breaking.
Gunistan? Ahil, am I breaking?
A bit.
I don't know now what to do. Hold on a second. Just give me 1 second.
Sorry, what did you say?
Give me 1 second. Let me just. Okay, now. Okay, maybe now it will be better. Okay. So there's a Muniraj who has attained Samyak Darshan, and he's writing scriptures. So he's in which Gunistan? Great, you can use your icon if you know the answer. Ahil, you can even, okay, Hanika knows, speak.
Fourth.
Wrong. Ahil, Kreet, Neet, you want to try? Yes, Ahil.
The 12.
Wrong. 12th Gunistan ma Muniraj kya hoy? Hanika.
Sixth.
6th Gunistan. So now it will not be 6th or 7th. It will only be 6th Gunistan. Okay, now let me ask you another question. There's a Muniraj who is not writing scriptures, but who has gone deep within the soul. Now he's in which Gunistan? Easy. Now it's easy. Now it's easy. If it is not 6th, which one is it? Yes, Hanika.
7th.
Exactly. So it's easy now. So see, Ahil, there's a Muniraj who is not writing scriptures, but now who is deep within the soul. He's in which Gunistan?
7.
Exactly. And Ahil, there's a Muniraj who is writing scriptures. So he's in which Gunistan? When you're not in the soul and when you're doing any other activity, you could be writing scriptures. You like a Muniraj could be eating food. Maybe he's walking. Maybe he's doing something else. So then he will be in 6th Gunistan. But when he's deep within the soul, then he's in 7th Gunistan. So it's actually easy. I'm a bow like vicharvano nathi. It is actually easy. Now that Muniraj attains Kevad Gnan. So Kreet, he's in which Gunistan?
Twelve.
Now, Kreet, I've told you 3-4 times, you don't keep yourself on mute. You're wasting time like this. Neet, the next question is for you. The Muniraj, after Kevad Gnan, he becomes Arihant Bhagwan. So now he's in which Gunistan?
The 13th.
13th. Very good. Okay. After 13th Gunistan, and then what comes after 13th Gunistan, Hanika?
14th Gunistan.
14th Gunistan. Ahil, what comes after 14th Gunistan?
Then it's no Gunistan.
Yeah, but what state comes about?
Is it what's it called? You go to Shidchila.
Yeah. So what state is that?
Like when you don't have a body.
Yeah, exactly. You're correct. But what is the name of the state? Kreet? Sorry, Ahil.
I'm not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure? What comes after Arihant state? Sid, no. Only Ahil will answer. Kya matlo easy question nathi avarta.
I thought it was like another word.
No, there's no other word. There's only Siddha Bhagwan, okay? Okay, fine. Let's just finish the class early today because today everybody's internet seems to be a bit bad. We will now continue.
Can I leave? It's 1%.
Yeah, go. Even Ahil's internet is bad. Let's just stop the class today a little bit early. Next week we can cover up 10 minutes extra, okay?